Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect mobile hotspot to laptop or PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, pick up your smartphone and open the quick settings panel by swiping down from the top of the screen. Look for mobile hotspot or personal hotspot. If you don't see it right away, swipe left or tap the edit button to find it. Now, tap and hold the mobile hotspot icon to open its settings. Here, turn on mobile hotspot. If you want, you can also change the hotspot name and password by tapping on these fields. Next, go to your Windows laptop or desktop and click the Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar. Find the hotspot name you just created, click on it, and then select Connect. Enter the hotspot password that is shown on your phone, then click Connect. After a few seconds, your computer will connect to your phone's mobile internet and you'll be able to browse the web just like you would on a regular Wi-Fi network. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect mobile hotspot to laptop or PC. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.